you, but it's all kinds of like medical speak. But basically, like, 3 of the 4 tendons on my rotator cuff were torn off. They had to reconstruct those, move the bicep back. It was a 4-hour surgery. They had to cancel everybody else.
This is all because you just decided to go on a little run with your daughter, tripped and fell. So this was
I wanted this to be a lot. I wanted it to be a lot sexier, but literally I was chasing my 7-year-old down the street in the neighborhood. It was a very Norman Rockwell moment, you guys. And then I just ate the pavement, and then literally rolled over and was like, I'm okay. And that was it.
That was it. Telling Sandy the other day, you know, as you get to a certain age, when you fall, you don't get up immediately. You take stock of what's happening with your body and how you should gently get up.
That's exactly how it went down.
And then you sit there and say, am I still here? Am I still put together? Well, it sounds like your bowling career's over.
Yeah, totally. Bowling, gone. Tennis, gone.
Golf, gone.
No more fencing. Maybe polo, touch and go. It's touch and go. I don't know, you guys, but I've never experienced this. I've never had major surgery like this, like where you have to get put back together. And look, everybody at Sequoia, awesome. Dr. Berger was awesome. I'm on those meds that are going to be kicking in about 5 minutes. Y'all know the meds. Hey. But,
nice.
The funniest moment, you guys, was right before I went into the OR. I got recognized for the show.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
No, but it was the way it went down that was hilarious. Check this out. So I'm in the waiting area, whatever that is, and you know how everybody's separated just by curtains, right?
Yep.
And I'm literally wearing nothing but a paper gown and talking to the nurse. None of the nurses listen or whatever. That's fine. It's totally awesome. But next door, I hear this. I love your morning show. It was the cutest thing ever. And this lady just comes wandering over. Her husband's there for hip replacement or knee replacement. And she says, I'm Kathy. I'm from Oakland. We listen every morning. I love that second date update.
Oh. You know you're in good hands.
I said, hold on, Kathy. I'm going to be heavily medicated for the next 5 days. Let me write your name down because I'm going to say hi to you on Monday at 7:20. We're going to do this. So thank you, Kathy.
Although it's Friday. It's Friday, but that's fine.
Oh, it is Friday.
Hashtag meds. It's fine. You're in an abyss of pills.
Yeah.
You know what? You can do it again on Monday. Yeah.
Yeah, why not? But your last day, Sandy. I mean, if I'm being honest, I was gutted that I can't be there in the studio. I mean, 9 years.
I know.
We should be running montages of our best moments. We should be crying. We should be having, I don't even know, pancake breakfast.
I know. It's definitely weird. It's not the last day I imagined, but listen, this is this is part of life. Things happen that are unexpected, and you get through them the best you can.
Yeah.
You came out of your surgery okay, thank God. You got that done. Corey is here. She's doing an amazing job. Our listeners have gotten a chance to get to know her really quickly, which is unexpected, but it's worked out better. I hate that you're not here, but I honestly think that it was better for me because I had to learn quick.
Yeah.
And now I feel more comfortable, so it's not going to be as wonky on Monday. Yes.
Can I just say thank God for our listeners being so awesome too, by the way, because they've been very welcoming. I've been checking out like our Facebook and Instagram and stuff, and everybody's in. You know what I mean? And we're glad and we're lucky that we could let you guys be fully transparent and let you know how everything was going down step by step. It makes it a lot easier on because we consider ourselves a family. So thank you for being so welcoming for Corey. This is gonna be great. Very excited about it.
And I'm so happy for Sandy getting to finally follow her dreams. Thank you.
Yes.
And I got to move back to the Bay Area. Yeah. Because the last time I was here it wasn't as fun. And now I'm really excited about this opportunity. Yeah. It's the way this has worked out has been beautiful. So we're all 3 of us are so lucky. Jason's here too. Jason's just chilling out, watching TV. No big whoop.
I'm just wondering how bad these drugs are, how bad the pain is, if Marcus is going to make it for Monday.
Dude, can I tell you the scariest thing about the Percocets is the dreams. The dreams are crazy.
Well, you're not supposed to take them with a Paloma. Do they know?
I stopped. If there's a silver lining, your boys stop drinking. I got it. It's not happening.
All right, I gotta go.
Sorry, party's over. Party's over. You guys, I'll tell you what. If you tune in Monday, I'm going to tell you about 2 of the craziest dreams that I've had on these things, and they are legit scary.
I've heard of that. The Percocet dreams. Well, yeah, hydrocodone, percent, all kinds of stuff.
My wife had to wake me up last night. Like, are you okay? Because I was like screaming.
Oh, gosh.
Dude, it was crazy. It was crazy. Not for right now, because I don't want to take away Sandy's moment, but let's talk about it on Monday for sure.
Well, yeah, and I'm glad you're doing okay, and maybe we'll hear from you a little later. Until then, Marcus, happy 9 years?
9 years, man. And
Damn.
it's probably the drugs talking, but I love you, man.
I love you too. You're annoying as hell. No, I'm not. I'm awesome. But just kidding. No, like Jason, I shouldn't be here. No, ew, it's not like that. You should be here.
No.
But yeah, no, we've been through a lot, and we could not have done that without our listeners. So thank you for being part of our family. And continuing the tradition on Monday, it'll be Marcus and Corey. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful new show. Producer Jason's still here, so thank you. And keep up with us on social. We'll give you all the updates. Okay, Marcus, you go back to bed, and we'll talk to you soon, okay?
Bed's kicking in. Night-night.
Okay, night-night. We'll talk about what's trending coming up at 7:50.
Summer is here, and stars turning up the heat with 98 degrees in Turks and Caicos.
It's you and your BFF on an all-expense-paid stay at the Beaches Resort in Turks and Caicos, including a private acoustic performance from 98 degrees. And yeah, Nick is still hot.
Listen to win today and all weekend at 25 minutes after 10, 1, 3, and 5. Get all the details now at 1013.com. It's hot for summer and 98 degrees, all back to the